I'm down here in the shop kitchen this evening. We're going to make some jalapeno poppers. Y'all stick around and see how I make them.
All right, let's go ahead and get our cream cheese out, get it in a bowl, throw a handful of shredded cheese in there. We're going to get that mixed up real good, set it to the side. That way it can be warming up, make it easier to put in these jalapenos. Next thing I'm doing right here, I'm coring these jalapenos out, cutting the guts out of them, getting all the seeds. The seeds what makes these things spicy, so do your best to try to get them all out. When I get through with these, I go ahead and rinse them off in the sink too, just to be sure that all the seeds are out. So anyways, that's that step. Next thing we're going to do, we're going to pull our bacon out, set it to the side, and start stuffing these peppers. Now that we got all these pepper stuff, it's time to start wrapping them with bacon. This is the part that's not as fun, but hey, it's the best part to eat. So let's go ahead and get them wrapped. Make sure you grab the tail of that thing after you get them wrapped and shove it back up under the bacon that's already on it. That way it'll keep them from coming apart on the grill. After that, we're going to go ahead and get them seasoned up. And after we season them, we're going to go ahead and get them on the grill. Let's check all this out. All right, so we cooked these poppers for about 35 minutes, around 350 degrees. Got them good and golden brown, got that bacon good and crispy. But anyways, we appreciate you watching the video. Hopefully you enjoyed it. And if you will, like and subscribe for more videos, some more grilling stuff. Thank you.